Do you love animes? Then this video is for you. I have found a great page for anime lovers which is Junkies. And this is Dragon Ball Z Goku Super Saiyan for transformation design. এছাড়াও কিন্তু Junkies পেজে আপনারা anime, Marvel, DC, comics, movies, series, different collections available পেয়ে যাবেন. And this is the perfect drop shoulder t-shirt for the real GBZ fans. It's a high impact Super Saiyan for Goku design, fierce expression, red and blacks combination, also raw power bursting of the fabric. Material একদম premium cotton, vibrant long lasting DTF print. You can also custom artwork. Made for collectors, fans and drop shoulder t-shirt lovers. Sizes are available M, L, XL. One t-shirts you are getting only at 500 taka. Two t-shirts 900 and three t-shirts you're getting only at 1200 taka, which is insane. So don't miss this crazy opportunity. Inbox Junkies for placing order. They are also available at Daraz and Kartup as well. আমি ওনাদের পেজের লিঙ্কটা এই ভিডিও ক্যাপশনে দিয়ে দিব। যারা পারচেস করতে চাচ্ছেন তারা ইজিলি পারচেস করে ফেলতে পারবেন।